Too much. All right. What do we got left?
Yes, it is. Oh, 1 6.
No, it's not. 1 6. All right, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. 1.
Yes, it is. That's even.
2. Very good. But so earlier, Leslie had said, you had agreed with Leslie that they cannot be the common denominator if they're odd. They had to be odd, but that's not the case. They can be odd.
Or even.
Doesn't really matter. Okay. So great job. We found another one. Where's Miss Emerson's board? Who can tell me? Who can raise their hand and tell me the fraction of this one? Les.
2 6.
2 6. Beautiful. Antonella, you want to take the language train for me? Paula can hold it. Go ahead.
I know.
Let's start with this one. 1/3. Okay.
1/3 and 2
6. Sorry. 2
That's
6. Sorry. I was writing it down. 6. Okay.
2 6 are perfect fractions because they cover the same size of the unit.
So now what you guys are going to do with your own little fraction units, Antonella's already gone rogue over there, is you guys are going to find me as many equivalent fractions as you can for, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. No, for 3/4.
3/4.
3/4.
I need one.
Oh, you want to follow? All right, this will be yours.
3/4. So pretty much what am I doing?
So close to a whole. All right, so Antonna, so you're going to find 3/4, remember? You're going to say, okay, how many fourths you got? Beautiful, great job. And then you guys are going to use these smaller units to try to figure
They
out.
slide around.
They do slide around a little bit. 3/4, not 2/3, 3/4. Sorry about that. I'll write it on this one. So Les, as much as I think dividing them and organizing them is a good strategy, for the sake of time, yeah, let's try it. Let's move on from that for 2 seconds and go ahead and put 3/4 up. Whereas Lindsay has just this pile. She's like, she doesn't care.
Wait, 2 or 3?
3/4, sorry. Okay.
I don't think I should fold.
It's okay.
None of them fall down. I only have 3 fifths.
Does 3/5 equal that?
No.
No, it's not the same size.
I'm gonna go with the 6. No. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I can fly. I believe in fly.
3/4.
I will play dream.
Two little bunnies. Three little bunnies. I'm waiting to see what you think. 5.
Everyone has to mind their own.
Everyone has to mind their own, exactly.
Alright, this is going to fit.
How do you know?
Because if I put 2 down, okay,
Great job.
it doesn't work.
Great job.
It's 8
So, what?
I mean 6 8.
Thank you. And can we hands up in the application for 5 seconds? Because Isabel, hands up a little bit. Because Isabel and Leslie both made a good point. Isabel was doing her 10s, right? And Antonella, stop it. Isabel was doing her 10s, and as she's lining up her 10s, she already knew that it wasn't going to work. And why was that, Isabel, that you knew that that wasn't going to work?
Because if I put 2 down and then to the
You couldn't
One
find, you couldn't, the 10s you had already didn't equal this. So there was no way you'd be able to make it equivalent. And Lindsay, like at the exact same time almost, had this realization where she was like, all right, well, I don't even need to lay down the rest of my 8s. I know that if 1/4 equals 2 8s, that if I needed 3 1/4s, you would need 3 times 2. Explain that to me. Explain your reason. It was right. I just want to let you give you the chance.
because they both like would fit in like 1/4.
Beautiful.
So
Great job.
there were 3 more. So and they were in both and 2 plus 2 equals 6. So they equal 6.
All right. So I'm going to trick you. Are you ready?
Yeah, you can't do that. Can we do it? We're really smart because they're girls.
Girl power. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
What if I did? Because Lindsay just made this point. I would leave them as they are. How Paula just did. Paula said, okay. And Lindsay said, okay, I don't even need to line them up. I know exactly what it is. Lindsay had 1/4, right? And how many 8s equals 1/4, Paula? Equals
6.
1/4. 1/4. How many 8s equals 1/4? Just one. 2 8s. Great job. So what if I wanted to say, Isabel, how many 16s would you pick? 1, 12 would equal 3/4. Amazing, Paula. But I want 1/4.
8.
No, don't guess. It's no.
6.
16 16s would equal a whole.
Wow.
All right, because it's like what Lindsay was saying, that she knew that if 1/4 equals 1/8 equals 2 eighths, then to get to 16, you would just have to do 1 under each. So that was a little difficult, Miss Emerson. All right, see if you can find me one more thing for 3/4, and then you are free.
Oh.
Free as the wind.
No, 3 is the same.
All right, can you? And so you're not even on 3/4, crazy lady.
I just started.
I know. I just wanted to look pretty. All right, 3/4. Come on, finding another one is your ticket out of here. You've already done 8, my love, so find a new one.
3/4.
Okay, so 3/4. 3/4, 3/4.
Wait, it's not gonna work. Nope.
1, 2.
I don't know how to smack in the middle. I'm not gonna win my ticket out.
3/12 says 1/4. I want to know how many 3/4
I
is.
need all the orange. I don't see orange. You can use my orange. 9.
Lindsay, you're like on fire.
Who? No, I want to.
Get out of here.
What is this piece?
But in, like organize that?
Yeah, organize.
No, that won't work.
Oh yeah.
That was, you are just killing it, Linz. Isabel, you gotta at least try.
I am. She's trying. She's trying. It's not gonna work. I didn't notice.
Great job, Antel. What's that fraction?
9.
9. Great job. 9 what?
Me.
9. What's on the bottom?
Just you're not organized. There.
Guys, so really quick and then you can go.
No.
So what Miss Emerson was trying to show you and what you guys just figured out, okay? So look at me, look at Miss Emerson. Hello, hello, hola, 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 hola. Each one of these are 1/4, right? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and then 1/4, but I only want to know we did 3/4, right? So Lindsay says, all right, I know when I lined them up, and Isabel figured this out too, that 1/8, how many units does it take to make, how many 1/8 units does it take to equal 1/4? 2. So I would say 2 plus, what would go here? How many 1/8 units would go here? 2 plus, Leslie, how many 1/8 units would go here? Because you gotta pay attention, that's why you're all over the place. 2, hands up, Paula, hands up. 2, 2, how many would go here? 2. So I don't even need to do, Lindsay knew she didn't even have to do the whole lining up process. She knew that if 1 equals 2 and she had 1, 2, 3, how many 8s would she need? What's 2 plus 2 plus 2? Hands up.
6.
Beautiful. 6. 6 8 units. So back to Miss Emerson's question. Are you ready? And Lindsay, I